Hello everybody. One thing I realized is I've shown people how to paint the signs, how to take the ore mask off the signs, but I've never shown everybody how to prepare the sign for paint. So we do a lot of PVC signs. And if you can't see this, I'm gonna bring it down real nice and close. You see, there's all these fuzzies around. Well, you gotta get rid of those for painting. So what I use is a stainless steel brush. I get these at Ace Hardware, but you can probably get them just about anywhere. Get the ones that have the small brush on the front, and then these, and only use stainless steel. I've tried brass, it turns it black. Do not use the brass. But you need a little bit stiffer brush. A plastic brush is not gonna work. All right, so the first thing you wanna do is around all the edges. You've gotta get rid of all this stuff or it'll fly off when you go to paint it. And then it gets in your paint and it looks like crap. But everything turned off for a few minutes here and all the fans and everything, so it's hot as crap here in Florida. So I'm gonna try to get this done quick. I honestly don't know how everybody has so much time to make all the videos that they do if they're working. The small end works real good if you have to get inside like a circle or something like that. The only places that it really happens is around the letters or a logo. You just gotta real quickly brush that stuff out. It's pretty simple. Just make sure you get it all. Blow it off. And I use an orbital sander, a random orbital sander with 220. You want to hit all the edges. You don't have to have an orbital sander. You can do it by hand. 220 is good for painting. So just do all the edges. Go across all the letters. Take a used piece of your 220 that you had left over. Take off all the edges. You don't want any sharp edges. Paint doesn't like to stick to sharp edges. And that's all you have to do to prepare for paint.